Good morning. My name's Dan Dodds. I'm the principal attorney at the Dodds Law Firm in Suprize, Arizona. And today I'd like to speak a little bit about things such as 401ks, IRAs, pension plans, whether they be private or military. How does a court, what do they do with them? How do they divide them, or do they divide them at all? And the answer is yes, they do divide them. And you have to look at whether this concept of separate property and community property. So let me give you an example using myself. Let's say I've been in the military for 10 years and I marry, and now I'm in my 19th year and it's divorce time. And how is that going to happen? Is that my pension? And the answer is most likely yes, it's your pension, but the value of what that retirement system was up to the date you married is your separate property. And the interest that separate property interest would have generated over the remaining 9 years that I was married. But in this example, my wife would own half of that part that was contributed from the day I married to the day we divorced. And she would be given that part of it. And then if I still haven't retired, then I would be maybe serving 3 or 4 more years. That would be separate property. So think about it this way. Before I marry, it's separate property. While I'm married, it's community property. After the divorce decree, if I'm still in the service, that would be my money. The same principle works with 401ks, state retirement systems, 403bs, any kind of retirement vehicle, financial vehicle, it would be looked at with exactly like what was there before I married, what did we contribute while I was married, and then the rest of it after I'm divorced would be mine. It can get a little tricky because some people go, well, what good's that retirement to me? I might not ever retire for another 25 or 30 years. And that's true. So a lot of times then what we'll do is we will get one party that says, well, look, Dan, you can keep the retirement. I don't want to take that from you. But if your interest is $10,000, then you take on $10,000 worth more of the equitable division of the liabilities in this marriage, and you can keep it, and then the wife would have to pay less of the bills off. So there is some room in there to do what I'd call horse trading. I'll do this if you'll do that. Well, I hope this information has been helpful to you. If you have any further questions or would like a consultation, call my office, and we'd love to talk with you and answer as many questions as we can. Have a good day.